Hey guys, how you all doing? It's Will. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So, today I'm going to show you how to make the most incredible mushroom risotto. Let's get started. Alright guys, here I've got some dried porcini mushrooms. These are going to add so much flavour to the risotto. You can buy these in any large supermarket. They're so useful. You can store them in your cupboard and get them out when you need them. This is the perfect amount for 3 portions, which is exactly what we're doing today. All the measurements are going to be described down below. But you can't just use them straight out of the packet. You've got to soak these for at least half an hour to hydrate them and bring them to life. Here we've got some hot chicken stock, which I'm going to soak these with.
If you're vegetarian, you can easily substitute this with vegetable stock. And you can buy stock cubes in the supermarket if you haven't got time to make your own. Then just set it to one side.
Now we're going to slice approximately 300 grams of close cooked white mushrooms, which you can buy in basically any supermarket. Finely dice 2 shallots. If you can't find shallots, use 1 white onion, and finely slice 2 cloves of garlic. Now get yourself a large deep saucepan, and you're going to add a large knob of butter, approximately 25 to 30 grams. And you want to warm that butter up until it's melted. Place it over medium heat. Now add in your shallots and your garlic. And you're going to gently cook this until the shallots soften down. Now turn the heat up to medium high and add in your mushrooms. You're going to cook this for about 5 to 8 minutes because mushrooms release a lot of liquid. You want to reduce all that liquid down to barely nothing. This will add so much more flavour to this mushroom risotto. It's unbelievable.
Now get your porcini mushrooms which you've been soaking.
Squeeze all the juice out of them and make sure you keep this juice though. We're going to use this right at the end. And just chop these up and add them to the pan. And cook this for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add in our rice. Here I've got 225 grams of arborio rice, which you can buy in any supermarket. And you're going to cook this rice until it turns slightly translucent. Now at this stage you're going to add a splash of wine. You're going to cook this until the rice has absorbed most of the wine. And make sure you cook all the alcohol off as well, very important. The rice has absorbed the wine. We're going to start adding a ladle at a time of stock, stirring continuously until the rice absorbs all the stock. Then you add more stock and repeat that process. The rice could take anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes.
Cook the rice until it turns tender.
Now guys, you're going to add in your mushroom stock.
And cook for additional 2 to 3 minutes to let the rice absorb the stock. And to finish it off,
Then add a small amount of butter and some Parmesan cheese.
go follow me on Instagram at WillZuluX and you can tell me what you would like to see next on this channel. This is totally optional guys, but you can serve it with some finely grated Parmesan cheese, finely chopped parsley and a drizzle of truffle oil.
And there you have it guys, a delicious mushroom risotto. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell to receive notifications so that you don't miss another one of these videos. Take care guys, see you soon.